Alright, here we go, guys. It's YouTube. We have a bird nest in my grill.
Yeah, dude,
Very random. But, yeah. I'm gonna hold the camera right
You don't even have a YouTube channel.
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh.
This is real crazy, y'all.
Dude, I think I might just leave you there with your camera.
You don't need no gloves. Just, you know the little slide thing right there? Just slide it out. It's crazy.
What, talking about this?
Yeah, it's under that. That's why it's stuck.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands in some bowl.
Oh, it's gonna attack me. It's gonna attack me.
I hope it does.
I hope it. I'm about to be running out of my life. It's babies. Oh damn! It's a baby eagle. Oh!
Tell me.
You ain't kill it. You ain't kill it. You ain't kill it.
Why'd you just run like that? That was some real gay mess, you know that, right?
You said what?
That was really gay, you know that, right?
Fuck the camera. Alright, bro. We're gonna have a part 2 in a minute.